Okay, in the problem solving station activity, the students will have a problem that they will solve, and they'll have 4 different stations that they will rotate to. So if they're at station number 1 and they're doing the problem, instead of writing the whole problem, they will just need to write the question, because you have to begin with the end in mind. So they would write in this question, how many blocks did Logan use in all? Alright, now as a part of the problem solving method, and when we use cubes, we are analyzing the problem. And so we need to know the in all, and then they needed to know how many blocks. So what we're going to do is we are going to analyze this question using cubes. We've already circled those items here, but in our understand analyze box, we're going to state that there are 4 stacks. And then in stack 1, there are 6 blocks. In stack 2, there are 6 blocks plus 2 more. And in stack 3, there are the amount of blocks in stack 2, but there are minus 2, there are 2 less. And then in stack 4, it is 10 more than that are blocks that stack 3 has. So now we've analyzed the problem, and we need to figure out what kind of math operation we're going to use. So it looks like we are going to be using some addition, and we're also going to be using some subtraction. Now we're going to go down to the solve, and we know that we're starting out with 6 blocks in stack 1. Stack 2 had 2 more than stack 1, so we have 6 plus 2 equals 8. And we're going to line that up. And then in stack 3, there were 2 less than in stack 1, so we know 8 minus 2 is 6. And in stack 4, there were 10 more than stack 3, so 6 plus 10 equals 16. So we know we're going to add them all together, because in the problem it says in all, and that totals, it's 36. So we've solved the problem, but now we need to go back and we need to check our answers. And we're going to check our answers by working backwards. So we're starting at how many blocks we had in all, and then we're going to go from stack 4. Stack 4 has 16, so we're going to take that away from 36, which is going to leave us with 20. Now we're going to take away what stack 3 had, which was 6, and that's going to be 14. And we're going to take away what stack 2 had, which was 8, and we should get back to our stack 1 should match 6 blocks. And that's how we use the problem solving method when we are rotating our stations.